Hello and welcome to Kelly Grace TV. How are you guys doing, my friends and supporters, subscribers, all the old and the new ones? Warm welcome to you guys. Thank you for clicking on this video one more time. Thank you for coming on this channel. Thank you. So today I have a sugar coated peanuts recipe to share with you guys. This time I have another one on my channel already, so quickly let me show you the ingredients. This is a cinnamon. I have the cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon, 1 cup of sugar, 3 cup of water, and the peanut itself. That's my raw peanut. So quickly I put my pot on fire and I add my 3 cups of water, which is 700 milliliter, and I'm adding my sugar, which is 1 cup of sugar. Here is my 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, just to give it a nice cinnamon flavor. And then I will add the peanut itself. Just stir it once and then let it simmer. So guys, this process, you have to be patient. You let it boil until the water dries up totally, completely.
Guys, let me take this opportunity to welcome you one more time. I'm so happy to see you and to see your comments under my comment section. Let me know how you like this, or when you try it, give me a feedback how it works for you. Okay, so as you can see, the water is thickening up. This will be thickening up until it gets like, you see that your water, it will become like a syrup. You see here, this is the syrup stage, and then it will become like crystal. So that will be your final part. And then let me just leave you and watch it to the end. Okay.
Here guys, as we can see, your sugar and water has been crystallized. So you see it become like a solid form. This is where the crunchiness is coming from when you are eating your candy peanut or coated peanuts. So this is it. As you can see, my peanuts, a lot of them, the skin is off. Yeah, that's how it gets. Some, it depends on the peanuts you get. This is what I can get. This is what I can get in my local shop here, so that's what I'm using today. So guys, thank you all for watching. That is my final result. I will turn the fire off and toss this in my baking sheet, or you can use anything, any flat thing to toss this in, or your parchment paper, anything, and let it cool down at least 10 to 15 minutes, because it burns you so bad, guys.